Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 14 messaging apps for Android. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. WhatsApp Messenger. WhatsApp is the most popular messaging application used by most of the users across the world. It has a simple interface with lots of amazing features. You can send images and videos in high quality of larger size too. Creating a WhatsApp account is very simple and all you need is mobile number. You can post text, voice, and videos as stories and they stay for 24 hours from the posted time. This is available for Android, iOS, and web versions. Features of WhatsApp. Dark mode. Easy and simple to use. Allows to send text, voice, and video messages. Availability of stories option. End-to-end encryption. Number 2. Facebook Messenger. Messenger is an American messaging app and it is developed by Facebook. It is developed for Android, iOS, Windows 10, macOS platforms. You can send messages to the required people if both you and that person have the Messenger app. You can share photos, videos, links through Messenger. It doesn't cost anything for each message you send. It works with your mobile data plan or internet through Wi-Fi. Uses of Facebook Messenger. Able to send instant messages. Sharing of photos, videos, and links. Secret conversations. Play games. You can add friends instantly and chat with them. Number 3. Instagram. Instagram is an American app that enables you to share photos and videos. You can connect with the people across the world who are having the Instagram account. If you have Facebook account, then you can easily log in to Instagram with the same login credentials. Along with text, you can also make audio and video calls to the people you connected to on Instagram. This is available for Android, iOS, and Fire OS platform. Highlights of Instagram. Instant messaging. Free of cost to download and use. Easy to create account. Allows to share photos and videos. You can post stories and posts to showcase on your account. Short videos can be recorded, edited, and posted. Number 4. Telegram. Telegram is an instant messaging and voice over IP service which is cloud-based. It is available for Android, iOS, Windows Phone, macOS, and web platforms. It uses an encryption process for instant messages and the photos during the transmit across each other. You need to be linked Telegram with mobile number to send messages. You can make audio and video calls in this application. Features of Telegram. Easy to use. Cloud-based messages. Telegram bots are available. Secret chats. Number 5. Google Chat. Google Chat is a communication software developed by Google in which users can chat with the persons who have a Gmail account. It is an integration of Google Plus and Google Talk. Now it is the part of G Suite that has Google Meet and Google Chat as its primary products. It can be used on Android, iOS, and Google Chrome platforms. Users need to have a Gmail account to use this Google Chat. Features of Google Chat. Simple to use. Trustworthy. Allows conversations with multiple users. Integrated with G Suite and third-party tools. Number 6. Skype. Skype is a telecommunication application specially designed for video chat and video calls between mobiles, tablets, computers, smartwatches. This is available for Android, Windows, iOS, macOS, and Windows Phone platforms. It allows users to communicate over the internet only by using voice, video, microphone, instant messaging, and webcam. Skype to Skype calls are free of cost, but Skype to others like landline telephones and mobile phones are charged via their Skype credit amount. Features of Skype. Instant messaging and voice chat. Conference call with up to 50 people. Video calling and screen sharing. SMS text messaging. Number 7. Viber Messenger. Viber Messenger is a simple and secure cross-platform voice over IP and instant messaging, calling app. This is available for Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux platforms. Users are registered and identified by their mobile numbers. You can send messages to any other person in the world if they have Viber Messenger. The Viber offers long video and audio calls with more HD quality than WhatsApp. It lets you play games also, and it can able to hide your chats. With the help of Viber, you can chat with the public. Features of Viber Messenger. Instant messaging. Enable smart notifications. Turn off unwanted notifications. End-to-end encryption. Conversation switching is quick and safe. Hide and show online status. Number 8. Line. Line is a freeware app for instant communication through messages. It is a streamlined version of Line. Users can exchange text, images, videos through the Line application. It is available for Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS platforms. It can be accessed on a single Android mobile with a specific mobile phone number. The user needs to use a different mobile number for accessing Line app on another mobile phone. Features of Line. Available in less than 1 megabyte size. Free voice and video calls. Able to create groups with up to 500 people. It supports group texting, stickers, image sharing. Provides rich communication in less infrastructure areas also. Number 9. Tumblr. Tumblr is an American social networking and microblogging website. It allows users to post images, videos, and other files to a short-form blog. People will share their photos and post via the dashboard. It works on the Android platform. Features of Tumblr. Allows fan mail. Install messaging and providing an inbox. Blog management. It includes tags, dashboard, queue, and HTML editing. Number 10. Snapchat. Snapchat is a multimedia messaging app that allows users to connect to other Snapchat users across the world. This is available in Android, iOS, and web versions. It is known to be popular among younger generations, especially for people whose age is below 16. Now, it became one of the most used social media application. Sending snaps daily in this application will increase the streaks. You can create your own Bitmoji to keep it as your display picture. Features of Snapchat. Instant messaging. Bitmoji creation. Allows to send text, audio, and videos. Huge filter library to add to snaps. Allows to share stories and discovers. Number 11. Band. The Band is a mobile application that allows group communication. It provides instant messaging, social networking services. It is available for Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac operating systems. With this application, users can create separate spaces for different groups such as family, campus groups, sports teams, etc., for easy communication. Features of Band app. Live streaming. Allows private messaging. Creating separate spaces for different groups. SMS will be sent to all the persons in the group by admin at a time. Number 12. Signal Private Messenger. Signal Private Messenger is one of the messaging apps for Android. It includes all the basic messaging tools that are needed, including the emoji support. This application is available for Android, iOS, and Chrome with free of cost. It provides end-to-end encryption secure. Dark mode is also available and allows to edit your outgoing photos with built-in editing features. Features of Signal Private Messenger. Easy to use. Full HD video calls. Provides different emojis. Sharing images with high protection. Number 13. IMO Messenger. The abbreviation of IMO is, in my opinion, IMO Messenger is a cross-platform free video, messaging, and chat app. It is developed mainly for Android, iOS platforms, and now it can be used on web version. With IMO Messenger, users can send text messages, voice messages, and can be able to make video calls, audio calls. You can also share images, documents, locations, etc. Features of IMO Messenger: instant messaging, free HD video calling. You can share photos and videos. Free international calling. Availability of stickers and filters. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.